just got. Mira lo que me acaba de llegar. This is the first time I'm gonna try this. Voy a probar esto por primera vez. I just put an order the other day at TruLocal. Acabo de poner una orden el otro día. Pies, carne, pollo, tocino, all kinds of meat. Puedes pedir todo tipo de carnes locales. And it's all local, right? That's what it's called, TruLocal. So I hope that by doing this, maybe one day they sponsor me. Quizás un día me den productos gratis para cocinarlos en el... producto congelado, block of ice, un montón de hielo, and there it is. So I'm gonna show here what I got. This is some ribeye steak. No antibiotics, sin antibiótico, sin hormonas. 21 días, alimentado con pasto. So it's pretty organic, local, nice, good. Holy shit, it's cold. Ya, esto es un lomo vetado orgánico natural, básicamente. Todo esto es orgánico natural. Everything is organic, no hormones, blah blah blah. Another rib steak. Yeah, I think I got 3 of this. Creo que de 3. Ahí están. Now I also got some chicken. Whoa, look at the size of this. It's a chicken legs. Estos son patas de pollo, piernas de pollo, tutos, largo y corto. Holy shit, this is so fucking cold. It's burning my hands. I also got, what is this? Wagyu minute steak. I don't know what this is actually. I just bought it because it said Wagyu. Es como un bistec de Wagyu, algo así. No sé cómo llamarlo. I also got some bacon, un poco de tocino, double smoked bacon, some sausages, rosemary garlic chicken sausages. Estos son rosemary es ok, no me acuerdo lo que es, romero, ajo, salchicha de romero y ajo, y de pollo, son de pollo, salchicha. I thought I would try them, and I think this is it for burgers. 4 hamburguesas. So I don't know if this is expensive, to be honest. I can tell you right now how much I paid for this. 3 steaks, the sausages, and the burgers. You can make your own packages, right? So basically you go to their website and you create your orders. You can make you can make a subscription. You can subscribe to make it like I want this once a week, once every 2 weeks, and you can make the size of your box. This is small box, 1 person or a small family, which is me. And so I ordered this just to try, and this is all of this was $135 Canadian dollars without taxes. I ordered it 2 days ago. Lo pedí hace 2 días. So you can do the math. How much would this be if you get it at the store? puedes hacer sacar las cuentas cuánto te costaría esto si lo compraras en la tienda, porque and there's something that people usually don't put a price on, which is that this is all organic, it's all local, no antibiotics, no hormones, no steroids and anything. So there you go. TruLocal, sponsor me, please, and I'll eat all your products. Nos vemos. I'm gonna make a video soon with one of these goodies. Voy a hacer un video pronto con alguna de estas cosas. Okay, see you later. Bye. Ciao.